Hi everyone and welcome back to Arctic RC. New project, Cessna 182 EPO, the 156 wingspan version, and as you can see, modified Arctic RC style with an ASP 52 4-stroke Nitro engine. I haven't fitted the canopy yet. I'm going to test fly this now. I think it's a beautiful modification, and the sound of a 4-stroke is almost 100% better than the sound of an electric motor. So, a bit wiring. And as you can see, great fit for the tank. The CG is perfect. For the receiver I ran a 6-volt NIM battery. Works great. And I haven't installed the lights yet. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that, but perhaps. There's not much use of light now when we have the midnight sun. And outside you can see it's windy. It has been like this now for about 4 weeks and I'm getting pretty tired of it. But still we are out flying. It's a bit harder, but anyway, this is a modification you can do yourself if you want to. You need to have some experience rebuilding planes and so on. I've used oak for the motor mount to get the motor further inside the plane. A lot of epoxy and supporting inside. It's hard for me to show you right now, but it holds great. And of course I have added floats on this because this is going to be my seaplane for the summer, if I can get it to fly. But anyway, stay tuned for the maiden of this one. Probably I will upload the video tonight if the wind calms down a bit.